Well, I wanted to make a short video on how I prep my brass for my 6.5 Creedmoor. I shoot it with a Bergara B14 HMR. I use my Frankfurt Arsenal tumbler. If it was summer, I'd probably use steel pins, some water, a little bit of Dawn dishwashing liquid. Since it's 2 degrees out and I'm in my garage, it's probably about just above freezing in here. I've got corncob media in here, and I've just got a handful of brass that I'm doing today. Probably 40 of them. This tumbler will handle a maximum of 30 pounds. It's nowhere near that. Gonna go ahead and set it for 3 hours. Let it do its thing. Well, this brass has been going for about 2 hours now, which is enough to get the junk off of there. So now it's just a matter of separating the brass from the corncob media. That should be adequate. And I don't think that I mentioned, I usually put a little bit of Brasso metal cleaner, metal polish. I didn't add any this time because I figured there was probably enough in there from previous brass cleanings. Looks good as just like brand new now. Looks like brand new brass. So that stuff's ready to resize and deprime.